Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are learning about scopes. So in the previous video, we have discussed about scope, global scope, module scope, block scope, and function scope also. So now we'll discuss about lexical scope. So what is mean by lexical scope? So the definition here is ability of inner function to access outer scope in which it is defined. Do you understand anything from this? So let's jump into the code. See here in the line number 21, I have created one variable called lexical and I have assigned a string called lexical scope. Okay, then then after that I have created one function called data1. So in that data1 function, I have created a function called data2. I have declared. So after declaration of data2 function, I am calling the data2 function in the line number 31. That means in the data1 function only. Okay, the declaration is different from calling. You understood, right? I hope you know that. Okay, so after that, inside of the data2 function, I have declared a data3 function, and then I am calling the data3 function. So the in the data3 function, I'm calling that lexical variable. Okay, we'll see how it is working in the browser. Inspect, go to the sources. I'm debugging here. So I have already given the three breakpoints. So I will explain you why I have given here only. See, this is the function, data1 function. In the data1 function, in this line, we are calling the data2. That's why I have given the breakpoint here. In the data2 function, here in this line number 28, we are calling the data3. That's why I have given here data3, sorry, breakpoint. So in the data3, we are calling lexical variable at line number 26. Let's see how it will look. So the data1 is calling data2. I'm going to the next step. The data2 is calling data3. Okay. If we go to the next step, the data3 is calling the lexical variable. Right. We are seeing like this. But what actually computer is doing? See, here the data3 function is trying to call the lexical variable. That lexical variable is not available inside of this data3 function. So then what it will do? So it will go for one step back. That means this data3 function will go to the data2 function, and inside of the data2 function it will search for the lexical variable. If it is available, then it will take from that, or if it is not available, it will go one step back again to the data1 function. Again it will search there. If it is available, then it will take from the data1 function only. If it is not available, then it will go to the outside of the function. Okay, outside of the function, we have it is available, lexical is available. So from the outside of the function, it is taking now. So here the process, we are having a different functions, data1, data2, data3, inside. So we know that how it is calling the data2, data3, but we don't know, right, how the variable is getting called from outside of the function. So this is how the lexical variable is calling from outside of the data1 function. So this way we are calling as lexical scope. Okay, that means the data3 function has a scope called lexical scope. Means it will go back until it got that variable. Okay, then it is calling as lexical scope. I hope you understood. Thank you.